Hello everybody, Rails and Benz here, and I have a new thing I want to show you guys. I'm calling the thing. So, I watch a lot of Bertgasm and stuff, so I thought I'd make a city of my own, but with roads. I have 4 buildings to show you, and this is all just planning out for where the new sidewalks and roads are going to go. May look confusing, but I swear it'll look better later. And we're going to look at them in order of how they were, in order of when they were built. And the flying still doesn't stop. This is the Raylandia Apartments. This is Miss Punch Her in the Face. She loves it when you punch her in the face. Here's my room. I can't seem to get into it. I did it. I'm so happy. Music box, your bed, your picture, your fireplace, very homely. Your desk, your laptop, your lamps, all your crap that you don't want to keep out in the open. Like if you're a noob, you're 666. Crafting tables. Yeah, but you know what this means. This is my friend's room. Oh, he is Raging Midget. Same thing. This is the maintenance supplies. And now we go downstairs. Set up the door. Don't look it. It's next door. Tom's Violent Stuff Emporium. Please, no redstone in the building. It may explode. Anyway, here's all your malicious potions. Your blaze rods, your lava buckets, your fire charges, your flint and steel, your TNT, your minecart, TNT, your bows and arrows, all your betties. If you're friends with your mothers. All your armors, the best swords there are. And enchant books, which you can actually enchant in his desk. But I had 2 of them in there, but one of them escaped for some reason. I don't know how, I don't know why. Now this is a car garage, no sign for this one. Just have to get used to it. And if you wanted, there technically is parkour here. Got 2 cars, 2 more cars outside there, and this one is being raised up. And when the road does circle back to here, I'll be able to put more cars in it. Don't mind that. Now here is Raymond's Market. Now this is the little thing, you put your groceries on it. Can you see that? These are the special behind the items. Here's the cash register. Of course we have pumpkins. Heck doesn't like pumpkins, especially if it's Halloween time. Fresh melons. And now here I'll demonstrate what this does. Look. Get my steak. And I've got cooked chicken, cooked pork, cooked fish, carrots, apples, baked potatoes, bread, and cookies. And then all the behind the kind options, fish and melons, golden apple. You can't really tell, but that's enchanted golden apple, normal golden apple cake, and pumpkin pie. And this is a special deluxe episode. So it has 4 buildings. Usually it'll be like 1, maybe 2. Well, guys, goodbye.